Hey, what's up guys? Chris Dominguez. How are you guys doing? I've got another important update video for all of you. So, the past few months I have been head down focusing on a few things that I think are really important in this time of uncertainty, this time of volatility in the financial markets, and I think I wanted to share with you all. So I recently,
State Route 55 north for 2 miles.
I'm working right now actually. I'm on my way to do some deliveries, but I recently started a new job, and the job pays pretty well, but it also gives me the ability to make tips. So I've been really just focused on earning as much as I can right now in this moment, because we are facing a high rate of inflation here in the United States, definitely in California, where our fuel costs are just through the roof, and that trickles down and it impacts every other piece of each product that we buy every single day. We all know we're facing inflationary challenges. So if you guys are still with me, how much is gasoline, unleaded gasoline, where you live right now? Whatever time you're watching it, let me know the date too. And today it's October 5th, I believe. Yeah, October 5th. And right now I'm paying $6.80 per gallon of gasoline here in California. I go to Chevron.
In 1.5 miles, take exit 10B for I-5 north toward Santa Ana.
So with that being said, back to the main gist of my story is that I've been focused on earning as much as humanly possible. So I've been getting every overtime hour that I can get in, on top of working my business and capturing as much market share as possible, and trying to re-up on more products before inflation runs away. So we still have a high inflationary environment that is likely going to last for the next handful of years. This is not going to end overnight. So I've just been earning as much as I can, taking care of debt. Okay, earning as much as I can, number one. Two, eliminating high interest credit card debt, because a lot of credit cards are variable interest. So the base rate for many people's credit cards is going to be moving up. So you're going to be even paying more money on the transactions that you carry over on your credit card. So really, if you have the opportunity, get laser focused on earning as much as you can right now over the next year, 2, 3 years. Hang off as much credit card debt as possible. And for me, that's all I've been focusing on. I've been investing maybe 5% of my money into crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, MATIC, and a little bit of NDAU. But my main focus, over half of my paycheck, has been going to wiping out debt. And I can gladly say that right now, as of this point, I paid off all of my credit cards that were high interest, and low interest for that matter too. I'm completely wiped out of all my credit card debt. And on top of that,
In a 1/4 mile, take exit 10B for I-5
on top
north toward
of
Santa
that,
Ana.
I've eliminated all of my loan payments as well. So I'm completely debt free as of this moment in time. So I've been really focusing up on getting to that point in my life financially,
Take exit
and
10B.
from here, this is going to give me an opportunity to focus on building up my assets.
Continue on I-5 north
So
for 30 miles.
my goal now with my cash flow is to be saving. I've already hit a certain threshold in which I'm comfortable with the amount of money I have. I have about a 3-month runway. Now, there's other people in the financial world that will recommend maybe you have a 6-month to 1 year window. For me, I'm young, I'm healthy, I'm willing to work. Even if I were to somehow get laid off of my current job, I would find a new one in no time at all. There's not a lack of jobs in this market. We're just dealing with high inflation as of this moment. It is predicted that we may lose more jobs in the future as these high interest rates lead to more selectivity with bringing on new hires and company and corporate expansions. So now that I have focused on my income, B, focused on paying off debts, number 3, created a cushion of savings. Okay, next up is 4. I'm gonna get aggressive on my investments. So now that I have those first things taken care of, I am going to be getting more aggressive on my investments. I am very likely going to start dollar cost averaging into my favorite crypto projects. Again, that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, MATIC, NDAU, and I'm probably going to make a 5th, which is going to be BNB. So I really believe in these 5 coins. They've already been around and been successful. NDAU is actually holding up the best out of all my crypto investments over the past couple years. So not only am I earning interest on some of the NDAU that I have locked up, but I'm also dollar cost averaging on KuCoin. So I'm going to be moving my investments in crypto from 5 to 10%, and with a little bit more room to grow that amount. And I'm going to be deploying at least 20% into doubling down and expanding my business, Montaria. So a lot of people are going to be retracting in the upcoming recession. Technically, we are already in a recession because we have a couple of months of declining GDP. So, and there's other analysts that said we've actually been in a depression since March 20th because of all these lockdowns. It's obfuscating the numbers. It's throwing off all the normal numbers that we have inside of a market. So we've got a lot of money that's going to be drained out of the system. You can already see a lot of people have been taking profits or even taking losses. And just be careful out there. If you guys are investing, be careful, be smart about what is going on around you. Personally, having no debt, having that cash savings, that little cushion, and gives me the ability to make some great investments right now. So I do think while others are contracting, it's my time to expand and really go out there and start building positions into my company and into its respective market share around the US and into Mexico. And from there, also just doubling down, getting some more crypto at these price levels. So whether we bottomed or not, I actually want the prices to go further down. But I was dollar cost averaging consistently for the past couple years. I'm not going to stop now. As a matter of fact, it's time to double down because we're already 50 to 70% off of our peak prices. So I'm very excited at this next phase. I have more NDAU videos coming soon. I'm going back to weekly NDAU videos, and I'm excited to see where these investments go over the next few years. So I'm looking multiple years to multiple decades out. So you got to have a longer term horizon to get through and navigate through this recessionary environment. Now, this is going to be my first hand as a working adult at a real recession. So let's see how I navigate it as an employee, as a business owner, and as an investor. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. More videos coming soon. Bye.